In my previous video, I showed you how to create an image using a prompt in Google Flow. And then I also showed you how to add a specific item. We chose this dress to an image using a prompt and a reference image in Google Flow. Now I'm going to share with you how to download your images. It's super simple. So you just want to make sure you're hovered over your image and see these three dots here. You want to click that and select download. So I haven't clicked download. So you go click here, hover over download, and then you can choose which size that you want. So it's completely up to you what you choose. I tend to go for 1K and 2K mainly because I'm running out of space on my computer. And if I'm uploading these to social media, then I don't generally need anything above 2K. But if you're doing client work or you just want a more detailed image, then go for the 4K. So entirely up to you. I'm just going to use this as a profile picture, so I will just download as 1K. And that's in my files, and it's just as easy as that.